Hi guys, today I going to see how to remove buzzing and static noise from microphone and speaker. Example this sound. Let's start to solve this problem. Power connect to this buzzing sound. Unplug to power connect, no buzzing. Microphone recording to buzzing noise and output speaker buzzing noise same problem. Start solve now. First you need one rod and some wire. Rod inside into the ground and connect wire to the rod. Grounding wire connect to the power connector in negative terminal. Then plug in power connector now. Check sound and microphone. See this result. This method work 100%. I hope solve your problem. Any problem, comment or contact my social link in video description. If you need tech related video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching video.